Hello, welcome back to another video if you are returning, and welcome if you are new. Hi, welcome to my awkward self. Today I wanted to do a review on a skincare set that I got last year from Mario Badescu, and this is gonna be the dry combination. It's like a little kit that they had and I picked it up. I've been trying it out and I just wanted to share my thoughts and my review on all of the individual little parts that came with it. And so, thank you for joining me today. And without further ado, here is our review. I'm going to start with the cleanser. This is the Seaweed Cleanser Soap that comes in the kit. And it's green. And it's got little pieces in it, which I assume are seaweed since it's a seaweed cleanser. I'm not too much of a fan of this cleanser. I feel like it doesn't really do anything for me. I don't feel like it does enough for me. I like cleansers that kind of feel like it's getting deep in your skin. I do have large pores, so I do like to feel that deep cleanse kind of feel with my skincare products. And this one, it does feel like it cleanses my skin, but only that top layer of skin. And it's just getting that top layer of like dirt and leftover makeup off. I don't feel like it goes deeper than that, which I prefer in a cleanser, that deep cleanse feel. But if that is not what you need, if you don't have like larger pores and you just need something to kind of just take away any makeup that you have left on and just kind of clean away natural dirt that builds up on your face or something, this would be a good cleanser, but it's just not my cup of tea for a cleanser. And there's also a toner included. This is also the Seaweed line. This is their cleansing lotion, which acts as a toner. And this is kind of the same as the cleanser lotion soap, cleansing soap. I feel like it doesn't do enough for me. I don't feel like I don't see that many results with it. It does make my skin feel pretty smooth after I cleanse it or exfoliate, and it does kind of bring back some of that hydration that the cleanser can kind of strip away. But other than that, I feel like it doesn't really do anything for me. It's just kind of rubbing a little layer of something on my skin, but it's just not doing much. I don't really notice too many things when I do use it. And there is also a little moisturizer. It's kind of small compared to the other products. Just a little small one. But a little does go a long way with this moisturizer. I found I don't need to use too much to get my whole face. And I think I like this more than the toner and the cleanser. I do feel like it hydrates my skin more than just your everyday moisturizer does. But at the same time, it doesn't really deeply moisturize or hydrate it. So I do still experience some dry spots on my face. I don't have like a facial oil to pair with it, which would probably help like those dry spots and just extra hydration for my skin. But it is a decent moisturizer. I do think that my skin tone, like the evenness of it, improves when I use this. It does have vitamin C in it, and I do have like natural redness to my face. I'm not wearing any makeup besides my eyebrows today, so you can tell. I do have natural redness. I do feel like it evens out my skin tone, which is always nice. I don't really have to try so hard with my foundation. But it is a decent moisturizer. It's not like the best one ever, but it is a decent one. There's also this tiny little eye cream that they included. This is the hyaluronic eye cream, and it says it's for all skin types. I actually really like this eye cream. I'm usually not into eye creams. I've mentioned it before, like in my BoxyCharm reviews. I'm not too into eye products like this, like eye creams, eye masks and stuff. I don't have really any eye concerns, such as like dark circles or like eye bags or things like that. I don't really invest too much interest in eye products like creams and stuff, but I do really enjoy this one. If you tend to have like dry under eyes or anything, I would really recommend this one. It's super hydrating and moisturizing for the eyes. if you pop it on at night, you're gonna wake up and your eyes are gonna feel so plump and so smooth. It feels so nice. So it is a really nice eye cream. I would definitely recommend, if you like eye creams and stuff, especially hydrating ones, to try this one out. It's not too thick. The formula is really nice considering how hydrated it leaves my eye area feeling. So overall, it's a really good eye cream. The last thing in the little kit is this enzyme revitalizing mask, and this one I'm kind of becoming a fan of. Like, I'm starting to like it. The first time I tried it, I didn't really notice anything, but as I keep trying it, I have started to like it. It leaves my skin very smooth and hydrated. It doesn't feel like it dries it out or anything, and it does kind of minimize my pores, which I've noticed, which I'm always for because I have huge pores, so anything that minimizes my pores is already a good product in my book. The smell kind of smells like a doctor's office, but I don't really mind that smell. It's not the best smell, but it's fine. It's a little strong, but you know, it's doable. The consistency of the mask is kind of liquidy. It's kind of thin, so it does kind of get messy a little bit. I would recommend using like a spatula or something, and a little does go a very long way with this mask. Just a tiny little bit will cover a big area of your face, so it is going to last you a while. I am starting to like this mask overall, so if you enjoy like a face mask like this, these are the ones that dry down and you just wash them off. If you like that type of face mask, I would try this one out. I've been getting pretty good results with it, and I've been liking it so far. And that is all for my little review on the skincare set that I got. I believe that this was $20 together, and you're getting 5 products, so that's really good. They're not full-sized, but these are going to last you a decent amount of time, even if you're washing your face every single day or twice a day with them. And overall, I think I'm kind of split between the products. The cleanser and the toner I'm not too big of a fan of. The moisturizer I've been liking, and the eye cream and the face mask I've been really liking. So it's been a pretty good investment on my part. This is kind of like the first legit skincare like kit that I've ever gotten. I would always just kind of use random products from the drugstore, so this is kind of the first legit routine I've had for skincare. It's been working out pretty well for me. I have been enjoying the products. I don't think the cleanser and the toner are for me, but the rest of the products are really great. And I do want to try out some other cleansers and toners from them, so maybe I'll find one that matches my skin better and what I like in a product better. But if you do have like dry skin or combination skin, I would recommend trying this out just to see how it works for ya. And that's really all of my thoughts and opinions on each product in the kit. I am going to start trying to do more videos, so make sure you leave suggestions for those videos if you want to see anything specific down in the comments. Also, make sure to check out my social medias. I had them pop up down here somewhere on the bottom in the beginning. If you missed them, they will be linked in the description box. My name on pretty much all of them are the same. I try to keep it very easy to find me across all social media. It's usually Magically Panda. So Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are the main ones that I'm on. I do have a blog if you find yourself having time to sit down and read a blog post. And you can check out my blog linked below. But thank you for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video for some more fun.